You're going to want to make this Chipotle Shredded Chicken. In the base of my slow cooker, I'm going to add 100 grams of canned chipotles in adobo sauce. Add 4 garlic cloves, 2 cups of canned and diced tomatoes, teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to add some powdered spices, 1 tablespoon each of cumin, garlic and onion powder, as well as 1 tablespoon of dried Mexican oregano. Mix this up. I'm also going to add in 6 chicken skin bone-in thighs. This is roughly 2 pounds. I'm also going to add in 2 cups of chicken stock. Mix this well together, put on the lid, and slow cook it for 8 hours. After 8 hours, remove the chicken, cool it, and shred it. Also allow all of the liquid ingredients to cool and then add it to a food processor. Grind this to a smooth paste. Just sear the shredded chicken in batches. It will give that wonderful smoky aroma. Add a couple of tablespoons of the sauce, mix it in, and serve the rest with the chicken and tacos. Enjoy.